Your mini portable fan, smaller than the palm of a large hand. It has an on button, simply long press. Speed number 1, speed number 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. It is quiet in DD mode. At the lowest speed, it is quiet. At the highest speed, it's a little noisy. It cycles through and can be shut off by a long press. It is a quiet fan on lower speeds and consumes less power on low speeds, long running time. Fit in the purse, fit in the pocket, wrap it around your hand, put it on the neck strap for commuting, wherever you just need to have a fan. Dry your lipstick, makeup, and nails and hair. Drying anything like glue and adhesives that you need to have something to be cooled down or dried. That's what these fans are great for. What we're going to do is demonstrate and show you what this fan is all about. With optional hooks, tie it onto the purse outside. The Gaiatop HF18, 19,300 RPM with the USB-C plug on the bottom of the fan, and it's got the charging indicator. You're able to turn the fan on and run the unit. Will not be able to put it on the table while charging. It will continue to charge when the cable is out, 19,300 RPM. It is quiet on low. As it gets loud, as you can hear, the different fan speeds. It doesn't have a belt clip. It cycles to the off position and then you can turn it back on. You can wear around your neck with the lanyard strap attached and then cool yourself off. All year round, dry your hands, face, and more. I hope you enjoy your Gaiatop HF18. Comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. It's small, compact, lightweight, powerful punch in a fan. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.